Hi guys, it's me Kate. Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe. And in this video, I am so excited to share with you how to crochet this bow clip. And now let's begin. First, let's make a slip knot. After you make a slip knot, let's make 62 chains. And here we are done to our foundation chain. Next, we will proceed to our row 1. To start our row 1, please skip the first chain and single crochet into the next chain. To single crochet, insert your hook into the second chain. Next is yarn over and pull through your yarn. So you will have 2 loops in your hook, and then yarn over and pull through into 2 loops in your hook. So that is how to single crochet. Please continue single crochet in every chain up to the last chain, and I will meet you back again. So here, our row 1 is done, which means this is the pattern of our odd number row. Then let's proceed to row 2, which is our even number row. In even number row, always start with 3 chains. After your 3 chains, please skip 2 stitch. So skip this first and second stitch and double crochet into the third stitch. To double crochet, yarn over and insert your hook into the stitch, and yarn over, pull through your yarn, then yarn over, pull through your yarn into 2 loops only in your hook, and last is yarn over, pull through your yarn into 2 loops left in your hook. After you double crochet, chain 1 and skip 1 stitch and double crochet into the next stitch. Again, to double crochet, yarn over and insert your hook into the stitch, and then yarn over and pull through your yarn. You will have 3 loops in your hook, and yarn over, pull through into 2 loops only in your hook, and then last is yarn over and pull through into 2 loops left in your hook. So that is how you double crochet, and this is what it looks like now. Please repeat chain 1, skip the next stitch and double crochet into the next stitch, then chain 1, skip the next stitch and double crochet into the next stitch up to the last stitch of this row, and I will meet you back again. And this is what it looks like now, and we are done to our row 2. So now we will proceed to our row 3. So row 3 and row 1 are odd number row, and they have similar pattern, but starting row 3 up to the last row, which is row 11, that also an odd number row, you will always start with chain 1 and single crochet in every stitch. To begin the third row, flip your work and chain 1 and single crochet into the first stitch. Next, single crochet into the chain 1 space and single crochet again into the next stitch. Please continue single crochet and I will meet you back again to the end of this row. And into the last 2 single crochet, please single crochet into the 3 chain space and the last single crochet, insert into the second chain from the previous row. So here we are done to our third row, and we are going to proceed to our row 4. So row 4 and row 2 are even number row. Please do the same thing on what you did to row 2. So even number row, always start with chain 3. And at first, skip 2 stitch and double crochet into the third stitch. After you double crochet, always chain 1 and skip the next stitch and double crochet into the next stitch. After you double crochet, chain 1 and skip the next stitch and double crochet into the next stitch. So guys, I hope you understand the pattern now. And please continue your first panel by repeating the pattern up to row 11. But if you still got confused, you can play again the video and watch how to do it. And now I will meet you back again when I am already in row 11. And here guys, after row 11, please fold your panel. And we are going to chain 1 and single crochet to the both side of your panel in every stitch. To finish your first panel, chain 1 and pull through your yarn and then cut. After the first panel, guys, you will make the second panel with the same pattern of the first panel, but only until row 7. So you can pause or play again the video to proceed to your second panel. And here, guys, I will show to you how I assemble the clip. Again, guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell below for you to get notified to my next tutorial. Here, guys, finally my crochet bow clip is done, and I hope you made your own with the help of my tutorial video, and I am so excited to see my bow clip pattern in different color that you made. That's all in this tutorial. Good day, God bless us all. See you in my next tutorial.